Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And mainly want to focus on this green line that I talked about yesterday as support, right here around 33, 34 cents, because the price is definitely at a very pivotal area right now. I'm not saying this will happen, but what a possibility and what started to happen, but to give credit where credit's due, the price was able to fight back and get nearer that green line. But if going forward the price continues to separate to the downside of that green line, at that junction in time, that would literally be putting the price right back into this area of the chart where it already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas if the price can continue to fight, so, the price may come down here again like it is, come back up here, and, just, kind of back and forth, but, just stay around this green line and then eventually start to work its way back upwards. Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you picture these as stair steps, and the stair steps would still technically be going in the upwards direction. So, like I said, that 33, 34 cent mark, definitely a very, very important area as far as the overall health of the chart is concerned, because again, not to insult your intelligence, if the price does begin to separate and then just continues to separate to the downside, from a health perspective, going back to where it all started is just not a sign of a healthy bullish chart at all. But if the price can maintain that area, then that still gives it a higher base, and that's what you want to see over time. From a resistance standpoint, it's all about that purple line right there in the short term. That's the 50-period simple moving average. You can see a couple of times now it has rejected the price. In the event, though, the bulls can push through that level, I'm just going to use this level for now. Next key area of resistance would be right up there at the 39 cent mark. So near-term level of resistance, 50-period simple moving average. Next level of resistance after that, right up there around the 39 cent mark. So tomorrow, definitely going to be very interesting. Let's see if the price can stay up above 33, 34 or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.